And blinkwater is floating. I was saving a barbel from a sure death. Taking it to the fruit and veg market where they can feed on it. Blinkwater is floating nicely. Pardette the skipper. But it's a difficult launch. It's right out of an outflowing Velosi River in the mouth. So it's forming rapids. And then those rapids don't really make gaps. So we'll wait and see what Pardette is doing with them. Let's just look over his shoulder over there, what he's up against. He's going to go for the southern exit. That's interesting. Right into the estuary mouth, and he turns east. Still going 45 degrees south. Okay. Okay, well done. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Spirit 1, the flagship of the fleet, being edged towards the St Lucia Estuary mouth, which is the launching site today. Walter floating nicely here on the northern side of the estuary mouth of the Robert Channel, which is now merged with the Rob Channel once again. And still a lot of water to come. There's some interesting changes going to happen here the next couple of days with the launching. Walter note for his relaxed approach towards the launch. He's got no problem waiting 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, even 7 minutes until he's got confident he's got the gap that he can navigate. Each skipper has to navigate this according to their own skills level, which they are taught at the Academy for Skippers. And then they develop it by experience and practicing and launching. Today is a difficult launch, but we saw how Pardette made it look easy this morning when he came here. And different approach by Walter. Both of them catch nice fish. They're both charter operators here. Pardette with 5-star and Wave Dancer, Walter with Free Spirit 1 and 2. Walter also decided, he found that after reading the ocean, that the estuary mouth looks good. Pushes into the mouth. Now he's got room to maneuver. He can either come a lot north between the waves in the valleys, or he can go south. It's a little bit of ugly with the F at the moment. We'll call it fugly. But every now and then it makes a nice gap. Seems to Walter found his gap right east out of the estuary mouth. 830 carry cat's a nice big boat. So a different approach with a smaller boat when you get into that rapids over there. Found a beautiful gap. Happy hunting, enjoy the day.